that bullshit, you fucking up my flow. You gotta know that I'm doing it for us, but it's like you don't care, so you can hit the bus, cause I ain't with the fuss. Bitch, you gon' make me, I gotta make these moves, get this money while you be my playboy bunny. Ain't a damn thing funny, I ain't a dummy, nope. Plenty emotions, keep you boasting and coasting to another damn hosting love potion. And I'm flowing to the beat, cause we gotta eat. Girl, I can't face defeat, and yeah, when I get home, you gon' get this sweet meat. I put it on repeat, cause I can't face the heat. This is what I do, I stay true to you, and it's hard on cue. Stay ready for whatever, light as a feather, by your side in any and every weather. Make it happen when I'm rapping, nigga, ready to get the capping. There you go. And I'm still around with you. Anybody in our way, we gon' run right through. You stay on my mind even when I'm on my grind. Never wasting time, cause that shit right there put me behind. Inclined to say the things I do, cause she keep it so true. Baby girl provide a hell of a view. She got a nice ass, so I give her a pass. Never bored with her, cause we always have a blast. Outlast the competition headed my way, because you know your boy D-Mac is here to stay. But I can sway any girl in my vicinity, last till infinity. Baby girl, win with me. You wanna be with me and chill, cause I got a nice grill, working hard to make a meal. My crew won't stop till we get a record deal. Then maybe we'll think about hanging up the steel.
Girl, I see you walking with your friends. Sun glisten off your skin, got my mind on the spin, like my body full of gin. You a special breed, that's the reason why I'm hesitant. Never been one of them incompetent niggas, never been a drug dealer, always getting richer, never wasting time on my grind, getting to the skrilla. Every time I bust a rhyme, niggas say I pulled the trigger. Got a small circle, baby girl, cause you my bigger figure. Amazing personality, her love is immortality, and when she pop up on the scene, you know that it's a casualty. She killing them, I'm drilling her, acting like I'm filming her. And when I leave, she say, there you go, cause boy, I'm missing your temptation. It's crazy, the things you do amaze me. The shit you say just faze me. And girl, your body crazy, and girl, you're never lazy. But one thing I haven't said lately,